Hi there! In this video, we're creating the minimal blacks filter. Here are some before and afters using this filter. As always, this minimal black sample filter is available for free on our website, so check the links in the description below. Also, remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future Lightroom tutorials. Now, with all that out of the way, you know what to do. Fire up that Lightroom mobile app and let's start editing. We'll start off in the light tab as usual, and we decrease the exposure to minus 0.32. Next, we increase the contrast by plus 43. We increase the highlights by plus 29. We decrease the shadows by minus 42. We increase the whites by plus 15. And we decrease the blacks by minus 41. Next, we'll go over to the contrast curve, which you can find in the top right corner. And make sure you create exactly what we do in our curve section. So lift up the left bottom dot a little bit and then create the rest of the dots like we do in the screen. All right, when you're done with that, we'll go over to the color page. And on the color page, you'll change the temperature slider to plus 10 and you'll increase the tint by plus 3. Then you increase the vibrance by plus 30 and you decrease the saturation by minus 12. Next, we go over to the color mix tab. And on the red slider, we only change the luminance to minus 13. Next, we go over to the orange tab and we change the hue to minus 13 and the luminance to minus 35. All right, next the yellow tab, and we only change the saturation to minus 35. Next we do the green tab, and we change the saturation to minus 45. And the luminance to minus 30. Then we go over to the cyan tab. We increase the hue by plus 36. And decrease the saturation by minus 55. And we decrease the luminance by minus 45. Next we go over to the blue tab. We change the hue to minus 69. We change the saturation by minus 80. And we decrease the luminance by minus 49. That will do for the color mix tab. Next we go over to the effects panel and we increase the clarity a little bit by plus 15. Then we dehaze the image a little bit by boosting it to plus 35. All right, and there you have it. A beautiful black tone filter that works perfectly for Instagram. Here are some before and after shots using this filter. Pretty neat. That will wrap up things for this video. Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, please like the video so more people can find it, and definitely subscribe to our channel. And also make sure you leave some suggestions for future filters down in the comments below. Now, thanks for watching again, and we hope to see you on the next one. Ciao.